Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, 1st of July. My pleasure to be here for the noontime Tiger Financial News Network update. And we've got a day to go, and then we have a holiday Friday. And then we start kicking for next week. Starts the real summer, we always say summer doldrums, but, summertime has been very interesting. All right, let's get to the numbers. The Dow is minus 5 right now, 25,806. It ran all the way to 26,019 this morning. That was a bit of a surprise to me because the futures were down almost 300 points at some stage, like 6 o'clock this morning. So this is really a great, and that buying just keeps coming in. But the pattern that I've been looking for, lowercase h, now attempting to make the second arch for a lowercase m formation. So it means that the 26,200 maybe area should see a lot of resistance. And at this particular point, we're usurping energy for a rally, but we're also usurping energy for a decline. So we're kind of stuck in the middle here. We're in a trading range, at least for this moment, unless we take out 24,800, which is the support going back to mid-June. That changes things completely. But if there's a pop-up above 26,450, that's going to be really positive. At least it raises the base. Let's go to the S&P. S&P is pretty much the same thing. S&P is up 11. I think Boeing is part of why the Dow. Let me just have a quick look. Yeah, I think that's part of why the Dow is down some. So the S&P is up 12 at 312, had a high of 31.22. That's good action. There's the H pattern going to the lowercase m. And look at the weekly charts, still very good. So unless the S&P starts to break under 3,050 in the next week, I think we're stuck in this range. So the QQQ NDX 100, a very nice action today of 2.07 at 249.65. This is really important because Facebook, under a lot of pressure, it's up $7, 234.14. I mean, how the market works in a mysterious way sometimes. Let's look at the IWM. The IWM is trading down. It is down $1.24. So all of a sudden, it played catch up and it was leading, and now it's down again. This is the way it does it. It does this all the time. So the pattern itself is really sideways. But wait a minute, gold, which was fantastic yesterday, is down sharply today at 25. I've got a lot to talk about coming up in my Tiger Technicians Hour. And please check out my opening call daily newsletter. You'll see it on the front page of TFNN, and I'll be back in a moment.